Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Today's recipe is a very simple homemade satay sauce with Youcook. I often prepare a jar of this satay sauce at home. It goes so well with ramen noodles, Vietnamese bún bò Huế, and it especially goes very well with my oxtail dish. If you like spicy and you want to learn how to make this recipe, stay with me. Let's get to it right now. By the way, make sure you check out my oxtail recipe. This particular sauce goes really well with that recipe. I'm using 1/2 cup of green and red chilies, then add in a 1/2 cup of minced shallot, then add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, add in 4 teaspoons of sugar, add in 1/2 cup of cooking oil. Going to use 1/8 cup of fish sauce for this recipe. Give it a few spins and this is what we have. I'm going to go ahead and pour all the ingredients into a colander and drain out some of the liquid at the bottom. For this recipe, I only want to retain a little bit of liquid, so if too much, I'm going to throw it away. On a new pan, add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of oil. Add all the chilies back into the pan and cook for a good 2 minutes. Then add in 1/4 cup of lemon. Cook for a good 1 minute until you can smell the flavor of lemongrass, shallot, and garlic. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This is a very delicious sauce that goes so well with many dishes, and you can prepare it at home. Now I'm just going to bring it to boil, then add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of annatto oil, which I prepared previously. The annatto oil will add more color to this satay sauce, and you can see it right now. It's beautiful. This is up to you depending on how much you want to prepare. I'm using about 1/2 cup of oil, add in 1/4 cup of Annatto Seeds, and bring the oil to boil and then add in the seed. Now you can see it gives out a very nice and beautiful color. And then just drain the seeds and then keep the oil. So this is how you prepare Annatto oil. And that's it for this recipe. You can store this satay sauce in the refrigerator for weeks. Thank you so much for your time and support. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you find it useful. Let me know how it goes. Until then, take care. Bye now.